roots. Roots can be divided into two categories. The first one is called true roots, and the next one is called adventitious roots or false roots. True roots, they arise from a structure called radicle, and this radicle is present in the cotyledon or the seed, and it is a common characteristic of dicots. But whereas adventitious roots, they arise from any other part other than radicle. Except radicle, they arise from any other part. It can be branches, it can be leaves, or it can be any other part. And it's a common characteristic of monocots. So, for example, in case of true roots, if this is the ground and this is the root, this is the radicle, so from that it's arising. The root that comes directly from the radicle is called the primary root. And these roots, they are the lateral structures from the primary root. These are called the secondary root. And the structures that come, they divide again and again, and these structures are known as tertiary roots. And the whole system, the primary roots, the secondary roots, and the tertiary roots, they constitute and form a system called taproot system. Taproot system means the root arises from the radicle, and there is primary root, secondary root, and tertiary root. So, true roots or taproots, these are also called taproots. In case of adventitious roots or false roots, if this is the ground and there is the radicle here, eventually the radicle degenerates, it goes off, and the roots are formed out from the radicle. And these roots are known as, or this system is known as, fibrous root system. They look like fibers. The roots look like fibers. This is fibrous root system. Examples of true roots are, so this taproot system can be seen in a tree called, or plant called, Ficus religiosa, and its common name is peepal tree. And a fibrous root system, this can be seen in maize, wheat, etc. The banyan tree, or also called as the Ficus bengalensis, the banyan tree, the common name is banyan tree. The trees, or the stem of the trees, is as thicker as the branches. So it's very fat and thick, and the branches come from the roots come from the branches like this. And when they touch the ground, they again grow on the ground itself. So these are the roots, and they don't arise from the radicle in the cotyledon or the seed. They arise from the branches here. This is in case of Ficus bengalensis, and this Ficus bengalensis is for mechanical support. It's actually an adventitious root. For example, this is the seed or the cotyledon. The space here, the name of this is called cotyledonous node. Cotyledonous node. And there is radicle here, there is plumule here. Radicle is a